Alright guys, this is Brandon from Gramajo Speed Shop again, bringing you another YouTube video. We got Nick over there in the house too. We're watching Gramajo Speed Shop on the TV. So on today's video, we're gonna be comparing a 2003 Ford Lightning. It was brought to us to replace the transmission. We put a level 3 transmission and a 2800 stall in it. Other than that, it's cold air intake, it's all factory. We just want to see what the horsepower of that one is going to be with a little tuner on it. The other vehicle that we're going to be dynoing today too is a 2018 Ford Mustang. That one we did a Boss 302 intake manifold, a cold air intake, and 125 shot. And that is on 91 pump gas. Both of them are 91 pump gas. We're about to show you guys these videos, and we will get back to you after the videos and talk about what happened. $358.
That's the horsepower.
No, it was 342 before. So
right,
like 15, 16?
Yeah. 358. $342. And then it made right now 358. Yeah, 358. So that's how much?
16.
1600.
What's a torque on? I mean,
Boost, I don't know. Torque was 374. And it was like 340 something before.
No, it didn't make 374. It's 410 torque.
Yeah.
It's a good bit of torque.
Oh yeah.
It's torquey.
Oh yeah.
What's it typically the boost on?
Well, it made more that time.
Maybe more?
361.
Yeah, well, it's gonna. Right now, I just loaded the tune, so it's gonna climb up slowly.
Keep getting more and more.
Yeah.
Until it gets used to it. You
How much
drive
booster is it?
around.
Well, also you went and drove it and brought it, so it got heat soaked. So
Yeah.
if we let it sit for a while.
It'd make more.
Oh yeah.
I ripped the shit out of it too.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably hot. Yeah. If we had like a bag of ice or something, we'd probably get. He's gonna do one more rip. guys, so that was the Ford Lightning. It made decent power for, you know, the year. It's a 2003 model, so it's not anything new, but it did make power for the year that it is, and the mods that were done to it. Now we're going to dyno a 2018 Ford Mustang 5.0, and this one's got, you know, it doesn't have headers, it doesn't have exhaust. It's literally just a Boss 302 intake manifold, cold air intake, and we end up with 125 shot. Let us know what you think after the video.
$416. On that one.
How much?
405.
405?
Yeah.
And how much did you do in the other one?
416.
Shit's about to get real.
What, the ball pressure? 1,000.
1,000 even? Okay.
Oh, hold on. $482. So picked up like 90 horsepower.
That's great.
That's not bad.
Alright, so now at the owner's request, we're gonna spray a 125 shot. He wants to make it right over the 500 horsepower mark, which is what we're gonna try to do. See what happens. guys, so there you have it. As you guys can tell, the 5.0, the newer one, is obviously superior to the supercharged 5.4 that they would put on the Ford Lightnings back in the day. Very little mods to the Ford Mustang, and you know, I've seen people spray 400, 450 shot on these stock Coyote motors. I've seen them put boost through them. I would definitely recommend a 5.0. They have launch control. There's a lot of things to them that just make them great. I forgot to mention also, we do have new t-shirts that just came out. I will be posting them in my next video so you guys can see. It's some of my Nova. They have my Nova in the background, and they are really nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We still have a lot of footage that we're going through that we will be posting about my car at TX2, I mean not TX2K, I'm sorry, Outlaw Armageddon. We have some dyno videos of a C7 Corvette that we put a cam and stuff on, Trailblazer SS that we're doing. Stay tuned and like and subscribe to our videos, and we will continue to post more videos for you guys to watch. Thank you. Have a good day.